Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, I'll follow up on that tender that I repaired and just got this installed. And so I thought I'd do a video of it just running so you can actually see that this works. This works really well. And that bend I made is not precise. It's not exactly like the original, but it's close. And the nice thing about it, of course, is the fact that it works. It works absolutely perfectly. So I installed that coupler with a screw. Trying to get this to focus. There we go. And we'll install this on the consist and take it around the rail and see how it runs. Alright, so I'm getting this all this tin litho stuff put together so I can use it on this tin litho consist. It's nothing but tenders, coal tenders and oil tenders. So I'll take this around. You can keep your eye on this one. The very first one of the oil tenders is the one that I replaced the coupler on. So power is on. Let's take this around, and this is the consist with the red Commodore Vanderbilt with the matching tender. So you see that tender is running absolutely perfectly with that new coupler. No problems at all. So this came out of the junk box and it's up and running, and all I had to do is modify that coupler and it gives me a new tin litho car. So it's a really simple repair. And like I said, all the tin litho stuff I buy is defective. It's usually missing a coupler or the wheels. Everything else came with something that I bought from eBay. So I never really set out to collect tin litho. It's just that I bought so many engines that had a tin litho car with them that eventually I found myself with lots and lots and lots of tin litho. But all of it is less than perfect, as you see. The thing is, it's original, it's running. A lot of them have mismatched wheels in various degrees of repair. Some of them are actually quite nice. Some of them not so nice. The thing is, all of them are running. And I got them virtually for free. I mean, they came with an engine or a locomotive that I bought on eBay. And so as they came in, if they were defective, I just threw them in the junk box. And then as I set up this consist, I thought I'd go through all the tin litho that I couldn't run and get it repaired and put it on this consist. So there's currently 19 cars on here now, all of it original tin litho, and of course all of it tenders, as you see. But it's a really, really inexpensive way to run model trains. You know, this Marx stuff is pennies on the dollar of anything else you can buy, and if you buy it defective, missing a part, it's usually dirt cheap. You know, some of these things I get for $1 a piece. And if you have a supply of parts, like I said, you can fix anything that you can find on eBay. So I'll take this around again. It's running really well. It's simple repair. It works. And you only have to do this once. That repair will last virtually forever. So running perfectly, no problems at all. So just had to rebend that coupler to make it fit tin litho. It's a really simple repair, it really is. It only takes a few minutes to do it. And the nice thing, of course, is it gives you an instant piece of rolling stock where all you had before was an artifact. It couldn't be used because it was missing one of the couplers. Like I said, if it's missing wheels, couplers, you can fix any of this stuff if you have a supply of parts to fix it with. So just a quick follow-up. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.